So this is how to fix something went wrong error when it's you know showing up in your TeraBox app. So when you're facing this problem in your TeraBox, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and make sure you find your settings app. I mean this, just tap on it, and after that what you have to do is to try to search for your TeraBox. And over here I've already searched this because I don't want the video to be long. After that you tap on it, then you tap on update, and make sure you have turned on your data, or when you're using a Wi-Fi you have to turn it on. After that it's going to see pending when you tap on the update, and you wait for this update to change from 0 to 100. So after doing this, what you have to do is to after updating it, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu again, and just what search for settings. But when you update it, you can just restart your device and try to see whether it's going to work perfectly. And when it's working, then you are free to go. When it's not working, just come to your phone settings, then you tap on app and preference or app and notifications, then you tap on the see apps or app lists. So after tapping on it, just scroll and search for the TeraBox app. So TeraBox is around IT section, so I think it's going to be around this place. So this is it, and I tap on it when I find it. Then after that, tap on notification and toggle it on. After tagging it on, go back, tap on force stop, and you're going to see this pop up. Don't just worry yourself reading this, because that's what it always says, but nothing is going to happen, bro. And after that, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data restriction, then you toggle it on. After doing this, then go back and tap on storage and cache, and you tap on cluster and also clear the cache. Then after that, you have to make sure all your things that are important are moved or transferred to an SD card, USB, or a different cloud storage. So if you want me to show you some free cloud storage apps, then please let me know in my comment section, and I'm going to do a video on that for you. So right now, after transferring everything, or if you think the things that are on the files, the APKs and other things, if you think the documents are not that really important, then you tap on OK. When you think it's important, please transfer it before tapping on OK, because after tapping on OK, you're going to see all your things moved permanently from your device. I mean, it's going to get deleted. So after doing this, go to the permissions and make sure camera and also storage and contact are all allowed, because it's really important. So just tap on allow, then you go back, and when you go back you have to tap on your power button for long, and for some seconds you're going to see some results like this pop-up is going to appear, and you're going to see reboot or restart, power off, and also airplane mode. So you tap on restart or reboot, then you tap on OK. Do you get me? When you can't find restart or reboot, just try to turn your phone off, then you turn it on again, and this is going to fix. After that, just try to open the app and everything is going to be successful. See you in my next one, and bye. Have a nice day.